Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech Gyan. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: reskilling for career transitions. Are you looking to make a bold move into the dynamic world of tech? Well, you're in the right place. We'll explore how to pivot into tech fields through effective upskilling and reskilling strategies. So, grab your notepads and let's dive in. 1. The tech landscape. Before we start our upskilling and reskilling journey, let's take a quick look at the ever-evolving tech landscape. From AI and cybersecurity to software development and data science, tech fields offer a plethora of opportunities. As industries digitize, the demand for tech professionals continues to skyrocket. 2. Assessing your skills. The first step is self-assessment. Take a moment to evaluate your current skill set and identify transferable skills. Effective communication, problem solving, and project management are skills valued in the tech world. Now, let's identify the tech-specific skills you'll need to acquire. 3. Researching tech roles. Now, it's time to do some research. Understand the different tech roles available: software developer, data analyst, UX designer, and more. Each role requires a specific skill set. This research will help you tailor your upskilling and reskilling journey to your desired role. 4. Choosing a learning path. With your desired tech role in mind, it's time to choose a learning path. You have various options: online courses, bootcamps, degree programs, and self-paced learning. Select a method that suits your learning style and schedule. 5. Building a strong foundation. Now comes the hard work. Begin by building a strong foundation in the basics. If you're new to coding, start with introductory programming languages. If you're aiming for data science, grasp the fundamentals of statistics and data manipulation. 6. Hands-on learning. Theory is important, but hands-on experience is crucial. Set up a personal tech lab or contribute to open-source projects. Practical experience enhances your skills and builds a strong portfolio. 7. Networking and mentorship. Don't underestimate the power of networking and mentorship. Attend tech meetups, workshops, and conferences. Connect with professionals in your desired field; they can provide guidance and insights. 8. Showcasing your skills. As you gain skills, start showcasing your work. Build a personal website or GitHub repository to display your projects. A well-organized portfolio will impress potential employers and clients. 9. Tailoring your resume. Your resume should reflect your tech skills prominently. Tailor it for each application by highlighting relevant projects and experiences. Emphasize how your transferable skills align with tech industry needs. 10. Nailing interviews. Interviews can be nerve-wracking, but preparation is key. Practice coding challenges, technical questions, and behavioral interviews. Use your transferable skills to demonstrate your adaptability and problem-solving abilities. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to upskilling and reskilling for a tech career transition. Remember, the journey might be challenging, but with determination, continuous learning, and a positive mindset, you can pivot successfully into the tech world. Thanks for joining us today on Tech Gyan. Until next time, keep learning and keep thriving. Have a good day.